Welcome to One Stop Web Solutions. I'm your host, George Stimulus. So this is going, it's been a while since I've released a video. So what I would thought was it's been a while since I've released a video on this particular channel. But I thought I would take the channel in, say, a new direction to those 15 subscribers who subscribed. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. But I thought I would take this channel in a different direction. So at the time, I was promoting a business where I was going to be doing, online marketing and web design for other people. So what I've decided to do is to take this channel and make it into an educational channel that will teach you what I know about web design, online marketing, and all that good stuff. So I thought I would. So the course that I was promoting ages ago, about a year ago, that I made on how to design websites with no coding, basically no coding. I'm going to be releasing that course for free on YouTube. So this is going to be the first video. What you're going to do is, when you see this video, there's going to be a link to a playlist. The playlist is going to be the entire course released. I'm planning to get all the videos. I've got about half of the course up. I'm also going to create a Google Drive to give you access to the resources that you would have had if you that you need with the course. So I thought I would release it to 3, and I thought so that this video is going to be me basically saying I'm releasing the course for free. Shows you from beginning to end how to build a full website, sort of an e-brochure website in WordPress, with no coding, with almost no coding required. So like I said, this is going to be the first video. You'll see the link, you'll see the links. I have a card on the video to the playlist and a link in the description. So yeah, and like I said, in the links, you'll see the description, a link to a Google Drive that has all the stuff that you need. So yeah, I thought I would use this opportunity to talk about the channel. So I'm going to be talking about, how I market my YouTube channel, all the stuff that I use. Not that I'm a super marketer or anything like that, but I just thought I would give the information that I have out freely available, so that other people can make use of it as well. So whatever it is that you're trying to promote, since I've started the G-Man show, I've sort of tried to create sort of a focus on public service. Chivalry is something that I'm very passionate about. And so I thought, instead of trying to sell this course, I would just give it out for free and then start using this channel to talk about how other people can use YouTube and other online avenues to promote their businesses, their ventures, and all that sort of good stuff. So thank you to everyone who watched this video. And I'll be uploading the course very soon. You'll see this video will be uploaded first, and then this is going to be the first video in the playlist, which is basically talking about the course, and then I'll have all the course structure, all the playlist, all the videos in sequence after the other, so you can follow along to help you build your first website without coding if that's what you're interested in doing. All right, thank you to all of my subscribers and everyone who's watching, and I'll see you on the next one.